Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are a great alternative to disposable cups, ideal for baking, snack cups, lunch, and much more. Each measures 1.38 inches high and fits inside any standard muffin pan. And they're freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe when it's time to clean up. You won't need grease or cooking spray with these baking cups, as your food will effortlessly release. They come in a pack of 24 and in fun colors kids will love: pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, and purple. Amazon Basics reusable silicone baking cups are sure to make your next baking experience fun, easy, and economical.
So we are all about the details. So whether you're sprinkling paprika on your deviled eggs, dusting your souffle with some powdered sugar, or finishing off a cappuccino with cinnamon, we have the perfect tool for you. Our baker's dusting wand is perfect for evenly flouring baking pans or sprinkling surfaces for rolling dough. Simply twist the dusting wand open, scoop out some flour, and twist to close. Then you're ready to dust any surface with a quick flick of the wrist. One half of the wand is perforated for even distribution, and one is solid, so you can neatly rest it on countertops when it's full. The baker's dusting wand is also great for dusting baked goods with cinnamon or powdered sugar, cinnamon on lattes, or even for decorating cakes and cupcakes with stencils. The baker's dusting wand is also dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. Our dusting wand was inspired by our twisting tea ball.